to interact with your APIs and your backend infrastructure. You can call it your own, completely white labeled. We have an identity directory service for user lookups that we call profiles. We have a file service to do from anywhere to anywhere data movement using, I think, 5 protocols at the moment. We have a transform service, which is kind of like a Rosetta Stone. So if you're working in this particular format of data and someone else is working in another one, but you guys want to work together, the transform service will handle that mediation for you so that you guys can just focus on the science rather than trying to figure out what this field means in this context. We also have an app registry, as I talked about, basic execution service. We have a notification service, kind of a pub/sub model, so that you can subscribe to any event inside the API. Anything that happens has an event associated with it. You can listen in. Gives you very, very fine-grained control over the kinds of things you care about. Also keeps you from having to pull too much. System registration, so you can add your own resources. Originally, the first version of the API just supported a couple systems that iPlant had access to that we had big accounts on. Some at TAC, some at San Diego Supercomputing Center, some in Pittsburgh. And what V2 allows us to do is, allows you to do is come in and register whatever systems you want to. They could be your local campus system, it could be some VMs you have out on Amazon's cloud, it can be a server in your basement, it can be your Dropbox account, whatever you want to. Right, so you can make those a part, you can register those with Agave, and then you can use those through a consistent interface, right? Common API, canonical file space, permanent URLs, permalinks,